Hi friends, up to now you have seen all the basics of the JavaScript we have completed. Now we will go into the important concept where the JavaScript mainly we will be using is window object model. That is nothing but we can say is document object model. So document object model, this one is the very important in the JavaScript. So where we can manipulate the HTML through the document DOM object. Okay, we can also call it as DOM, that is nothing but document object model. So now when we go here, when you see this website, okay, when you see this website, this is nothing but JSBin website. You see here, when I move across the cursor, mouse cursor, this is nothing but the window. So the entire browser, what we can say, this entire browser, this browser window, this is called as window. So this one will be stored in the as a window object. So in this window object, you can have access to the location, the address bar, the location, whatever the thing you have, the address bar, address location. So you can have access to the address location and all the window variables and all those things. You can be able to have the access of the through the window. And now coming to here, the website, the document. So wherever the browser is you, wherever the web page is loaded, is nothing but the document. So that one will be stored in the document object model. So if you see here the inspect element, if you see here the HTML whole, this one comes under the document object model. Now you can see, you will be able to see here the highlighting of the thing in the Chrome browser. So if you're able to see div, panel and all those things, you will be able to see the main. So main is everything. So anchor link. So these are all the things you will be able to see here in the JSBin. So this is all divided into the document object model. This one all stored as a document object, as an object. So that one is nothing but the document object model. With the scroll bar, everything will be stored in the document object model. So we will be able to manipulate this HTML using the document object model, and we can be able to do something like you can click here, and if you can able to change here everything. Right now I am not changing, so we can be able to change through code using document object model. Everything we can use, we can change using the document object. Okay, so this is the main introduction of the document object model and the window object. Okay, in the coming videos we will see how we can manipulate the HTML using the DOM object model. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.